कंप्लेंट आयला की हांगा इलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन मारला म्हणून ऑन दॅट बेजीस ऑफ दॅट कंप्लेंट आमी हांगा इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आयला आनी टू मेक अवर फ्युचर प्रोसेस वॉट सो कम विथ अदर फॅक्ट्स म्हणजे कोणे कोणे बांदल्या ते आयडेंटिफाय करपाक सांगला ची कॅनॉट आयडेंटिफाय नाव हियर
Construction वयर येता आसतना हे न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन आनी ताका सेटबॅक ना हियर आय गॉट ऑल द डिटेल्स वेर द पंचायत himself said that they have no permissions granted. Yeah, panchayatiche काम. The panchayat should be very grateful to me for highlighting these illegalities which is in their jurisdiction. When an activist or when a social worker wants to highlight this matter which is inconvenient for the public, and there are so many with the blessings of the sarpanch and the panchayat, there are so many illegalities you can see here. None has taken the permission from the TCP, neither from the panchayat, neither anything.
सरपंच बाब आयज तुमी हिंगा कित्याक येयले?
इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आयिल्ले. आमकां कंप्लेंट आयला हांगा विलेज पंचायत मेर्सेस की हांगा इलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन मारला म्हणून ऑन दॅट बेजीस ऑफ दॅट कंप्लेंट आमी हांगा इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आयला आनी टू मेक अवर फ्युचर प्रोसेस वॉट एवर प्रोसेस आहा तो करपाक लागून हांगा येयल्ले आयज.
ओके, सगळे नोटिंग्स बा जाले आतां?
नोटिंग्स बा जाले म्हणजे तेंची जी कंप्लेंट घाल्ली आहा पळय कोणें घाल्या पळय ती कंप्लेंट मातशी तातूंत तिका मातशी मॉडिफाय करची पडटली कंप्लेंट बिकॉज सी एस कंप्लेंट एक्झॅक्ट तुका आमी आयडेंटिफाय करपाक लागले खंय खंय घरा आहा पळय शी कॅनॉट आयडेंटिफाय
डिटेल्स तुमी मागले?
आमी डिटेल्स मागले आनी वी विल बी डू अ इन्स्पेक्शन ऑन दॅट नेक्स्ट टायम. सो कम विथ अदर फॅक्ट्स म्हणजे कोणे कोणे बांदल्या ते आयडेंटिफाय करपाक सांगला शी कॅनॉट आयडेंटिफाय नाव हियर.
ओके, एना तुमी ह्या कंप्लेनान तुमी कंप्लेनंट?
Yes, I am the complainant, and it is very sad to say that as I was traveling this side, I saw this construction coming up. So हे कंस्ट्रक्शन वयर येता आसतना हे न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन आनी ताका सेटबॅक ना ह्या रस्त्याक आनी हे इतले नॅरो आहा की रोडाचेर तुमी पळयतले जाल्यार कितले नॅरो आहा. इट्स नॉट ओन्ली दीस, आय वॉज नॉट कन्सर्न अबाउट दीस हावस ऑल्सो, आय वॉज कन्सर्न अबाउट दॅट शॉप ऑल्सो and everything that is there because it is obstructing. Two vehicles cannot pass from this side. So I was very inquisitive in this and I saw that this construction is also going on, which is a new construction. So I have put an RTI in the Panchayat and I've got all the details where the Panchayat himself said that they have no permissions granted. Now when a citizen of India or Goa is helping the Panchayat to cope up with all these illegalities, म्हणजे illegalities बंद जावचे खातीर कितें येणावर पंचायताक येवपाक आनी कितें जे पंचायतीक ऑथॉरिटी आहा आपलो पावर दाखोवपाक हें पंचायतीचें काम. द पंचायत should be very grateful to me for highlighting these illegalities which is in their jurisdiction. On top, the sarpanch is telling me that how from Chimbel or the person from here, how from Chimbel and other parts can come here and highlight the illegality. Is this the answer I'm getting it? When an activist or when a social worker wants to highlight this matter which is inconvenient for the public, and there are so many with the blessings of the sarpanch and the panchayat, there are so many illegalities you can see here. None has taken the permission from the TCP, neither from the panchayat, neither anything.
So what are you satisfied with the?
I am not satisfied because the sarpanch should have cooperated with me and the secretary should have cooperated.
But the sarpanch says that the details have been requested from you.
Yes. So he is the father and the head of this village. He should have more details than me. I only highlighted because of this house and I said and I mentioned the survey number. So I say that it is the responsibility of the concerned panch member and the concerned sarpanch to find out this details. It is not mine. It is not my concern because they are their voters. He is protecting them.
So will you be getting back to the panchayat with the required details?
Of course, I will serve a legal notice now because I know that there is something corruption over here.
Okay.
I will serve a legal action on this.